Hello, my people,
Your
Igbo
Excellency,
people. If you look up, look the video you play.
Republic of Nigeria,
Bola Ahmed Tinubu visited Anambra yesterday on what they called Anambra Day. For me and for reasonable Igbo people, that was a political move. If you could recall, the day Bola Ahmed Tinubu was inaugurated to be president in Abuja, in Asorok, Soludo was bounced out of the ceremony. I am not saying what I didn't witness. Soludo was rejected in trance into the inauguration ground. Today, Bola Ahmed Tinubu visited him in Anambra State on what they called Anambra Day. Onyeka na-aghọrị, who are you deceiving? For the gullibles who do not understand the politics, the North in totality now are against Bola Ahmed Tinubu 2027 presidency, unquote, or allegedly. They are against Bola Ahmed Tinubu. There is too much hunger in the land. The worst of it all, the hunger in the north is super hunger. In fact, it's hunger pro-mass. Bola Ahmed Tinubu left Akure, Ekiti, Ondo, Ogun State, Kwara, where Fulani herdsmen killed his people in scores, in numbers. All he could honor is ordinary Anambra Day that means nothing to him, just political visitation. He wants to get the gullible. I want to tell you people that Soludo is Sabo, is a Sabo in Igbo land. He is one that has drawn us back from our development. He promised Anambra people of Taiwan, of Dubai. He's going to make Anambra Dubai of Nigeria, Taiwan of Nigeria. And he has never done that. He is gearing to go for the second time. Then he started to scramble. What he could do was to move up and down and arrest people who are doing their legitimate or answering their legitimate calls as in native doctors and all whatnot. I don't mean that kidnappers should ravage the people or take over Anambra State. I don't want that. But this is not what he promised us. So for him to bring Bola Ahmed Tinubu to endorse him as a presidential candidate of ABGA, that is a pure disgrace. And Soludo is just one person, and he has only one vote. The hunger that people are experiencing, in fact, before Buhari, I mean, from Buhari till this moment,
Your Excellency,
any man who stands up and casts his vote for APC is a dead person, is not alive. I put it to anyone who goes to that point of casting his vote and he look at his vote like this and he votes for APC, either man or woman, the person is already dead. Quote me, anyone who votes for APC is either induced, dead, or hypnotized. Quote me. So I want to hurriedly tell you people that Soludo is a Sabo in Igbo land. He's not talking about his brother Nnamdi Kanu, who is held in detention since 2021. All he could do is to welcome Bola Ahmed Tinubu, who could not even visit his Yoruba land to go and see his people that was murdered in blood, in cold blood, by his friends called the Fulanis, who gave him power. And he's coming to Anambra to start to lure you sabos like Soludo, idiots, to come in and support him in 2027. Because He is seeing the right hand of the devil already, writing it gradually. Soludo, Bola Ahmed Tinubu, there is no political gimmicks here. People are hungry, no jobs, no shelter, no water, no good roads. Those are the qualities, the characteristics that you can present to people who are reasonable, and they will move with their car to vote you, whoever. Any man who votes APC is a dead man. What I mean, the person is not living already. If you could, as a human being, go through the hunger you are going through with your family, your children, your wife, your father, your mother, and you deem it fit to go ahead and vote for APC or Soludo, I am very, very sorry for you, and I pour spit on your face. Pwah! Pwah! If you vote them, you are in trouble, because the hunger will continue forever and ever. I rest my case. The visitation of Bola Ahmed Tinubu is just a political move to lure you, to deceive you, to make you feel like he's with you. He's not with you. If he is with you, the Fulanis will be stopped for going to kill people in Akure, in Yoruba land, not to talk of in Igbo land. And he's coming to campaign. To campaign for what? The 4 years he is already in, he is doing nothing, and he's coming to campaign for you. You people, if I see you, I give you hit your head. Animals, sabos, get out of my phone, MAGA.